So how do you add pictures to the files on an iPhone? Let me explain it, and if you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So there are two things you might mean, like if you want to save pictures from the gallery to the Files app, I'm going to show you how it works first, and then I'm going to show you how you can add pictures to existing files, like into PDF documents or into Word documents or whatever. So let me just start with the first thing. If you want to move the photos from your gallery to the Files app, you're going to get inside and open it up like this. Click on Share, and you should be able to find the option which says Save to Files like this, which pulls up the Files app, and you will have the ability to pick where exactly you want to put it. Right, so just come back and click either you want to put it to iCloud or local storage, and you can even create like a new folder if you want, or put it into an existing folder. Let's say I'm going to put it into the Chrome folder for some reason. And now if I go there, you can see that in this local storage of my device, I can go to the Chrome right here, and I have the picture saved there. You can also just take it like this and literally just grab it, leave the app and go to the files and paste it as such, which in plenty of cases is even faster, but that's how it works. On the other hand, if you have a document where you want to paste the image into, for example, I'm going to get in here and I'm going to look up some sort of Word document, right? So it's going to be the Word document, which I have in here. If I want to paste a picture into this, I'm going to have to use some sort of editor app for it. So if I hold down on it, I can click on Open With, and for example, use the Microsoft Word if you have that installed. And if not, you can also use the Apple Pages. In each case, you will have the ability to import the images into it. So let's say I'm going to use the Microsoft Word for it. This image gets shown to me, right? I obviously have to be signed in to actually have the ability to make the edits. But as you can see, once I have the file inside of the Microsoft Word, I can click on the pencil icon and click the plus to insert the image as such. So I can choose, for example, this logo right there, and you have the ability to use it inside of the Word, right? So you can kind of like reorganize it, resize it if that doesn't look very good, I guess, right? So you have the ability to place it wherever you want, and it usually works well. Like, that's the point of this. Like, you can put it in between the text because it's obviously a text editor. So you can hit it done, and now we have the image pasted into a document like this. If you, on the other hand, use a PDF document, you can get the app like the PDF Gear, which you can get for free on the App Store like that. And whenever you use some kind of PDF document on your phone, you as well have the ability to add the image to it. So for example, I have this one right here. I always have the ability to kind of like make some changes and edit it, right? So I can always click this and have the option to kind of like edit it as such, and also have the ability to edit the pictures in there. So that's all I wanted to really show you in this video. Like, you can always edit the image as such, and yeah, I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.